Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Varsha. Thank you for coming on my channel, or if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back on my channel. Today, thank you for ruining the intro. So the topic for today's video is asking boys questions girls usually avoid or feel uncomfortable asking. So I asked a bunch of you on Instagram and I did get a few replies, and I had a few questions of my. Introduce yourself.
Hey guys, I'm Ishan.
I am Anirudh. I'm Ronak.
Okay, so let's start off with questions. We'll start off with easy ones, okay? So tell me what your guys' ideal first date is. Or if you've been on a first date, like did you like how it went? Start off someone.
Okay, see, ideal date. There's nothing like ideal date. Andre, you just hang out, right?
Yeah, like what do you prefer doing? Do you prefer doing an activity? Do you prefer like sitting down, talking to them and eating? Or
Sitting down, talking to them and drinking.
drinking?
And eating.
And eating, yeah.
Because a lot of people don't like eating on the first date
Drinking.
because it can get awkward if you run out of things. So a lot of people like prefer like going like bowling, like going on a hike and
I
things like
usually
that.
prefer street food, but it was impromptu and we ended up hiring. So not entirely satisfied, but not.
And he's
bad.
opening up his life secrets. I had no idea about. Open car. Okay, so what is the first thing you guys like notice in a girl? Like physical traits. Let's keep personality traits to like
Height, hair, and shape.
shape. Okay, Ronak.
Yeah, height, shape, ass. Basically, height and shape considers everything, no?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
pretty much.
She should be in shape, basically.
That's all.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eyes also. Yeah, eyes.
So imagine she's like very fully lovely. He's like, hello, show me your eyes.
I don't.
Okay, since Ronak brought up ass, okay, so boobs or ass? Like, what do you guys like? Or like, see, like, consider?
I mean, like both.
No, but like, there's usually like most guys have like a preference. Clearly, this one's the ass.
There should be a balance, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's no.
Okay, so let me put it like this. Like, you would like a Kendall or like a Kylie?
What the?
Okay.
But Kendall or Kylie you can't select.
Yeah, dude, none of them.
It's like
None of them.
Kardashian.
Yeah. Both the Hadid family, I might just like go for it.
Dude, Hadid, both of them look very similar. But like,
Bella
looks like
is like a goddess, dude.
She's a goddess. Like
Bella Hadid is actually.
yeah. Oh, I love this question. So, do you guys like realize when girls are hitting on you, or do
Yeah.
you just be like, nah, she's just being nice?
Yeah.
No, I realize.
You realize, yeah.
You realize like when girls are dropping hints.
Yeah.
So,
Either I'm too nice or I don't realize it.
No, but when the guy is actually expecting something, he won't realize it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like it's just like, randomly
If you
out of the blue.
actually want to hit on that girl and that girl is hitting on you, you won't realize.
Universe doesn't let
But
that
if you don't
happen.
want to hit on her and she's hitting on you.
Or even that happens, yeah.
okay. So like, imagine you guys are like dropping hits. Like, how do you do it? Like, do you start the conversation, or are there like particular things you only say to the girls you're talking to?
Are you trying
Being
to
open like to something.
Are you just trying to get me in that price, or are you trying to
Like, that's what I'm asking. Like, if you like a girl, if you want to date her potentially,
Mhm.
like, how would you like start talking to her?
start discovering common ground?
Yeah.
Okay.
You start doing activities.
No, it's not a business, bro.
Ani, please
Sort
start
of
looking.
is. Sort of
Ani
is
is like,
nice.
paisa kitna is
And then like talk more freely,
Discovering
see
a
like
common
what their
ground.
traits are.
He'll do SWOT analysis, SWOT
Oh
analysis.
yeah, really.
Please, Ani, the human.
Then what will happen? No, like you watch Friends, right? He does the analysis too, and then you'll get to date a hotter girl. This is.
Oh, okay. So, like, before you start like dating a girl, there's that full talking phase, right?
Yeah.
How long does the talking phase usually last with y'all? Go ahead, you first.
Me.
Yeah, before like you start dating officially, that talking phase, how
Like
long?
once
does
you
it
meet
last?
them and you start dating between that.
Yeah. How long is it like? How long does like your talking phase last?
2 months max.
2 months max, you?
Minimum 3.5 to 4.
Okay. What about you? How long does your talking phase last?
It depends. Like I talk, like when I talk on call, I talk a lot. Like I don't talk a lot. The person talking to me talks a lot.
Understandable.
Okay. Wait.
Depends on how much you talk. Like
Yeah.
if I talk like for 10 minutes every day, it will take 6 months at least. If I talk like 1 hour every day, then 2 months is enough.
Duration reduces.
If I meet and talk, then 1 month is enough, I think.
Yeah.
Because in a week you can meet 2-3 times.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we are engineers, as it is jobless.
Oh yeah, I should add that we're all classmates. I think
Yeah.
I should
Same
introduce-
department.
Yes.
Yeah, same class also. Classmates one same department, same
Oh,
department.
yeah,
yeah.
sorry.
Okay, so that brings me like, okay, so do you like texting and talking or like video calls?
Video call.
Normal calls.
Normal.
I'll go for video
normal
call.
calls.
So initially, okay, so like
A bit of texting, and then you get comfortable, and then you call.
Yeah.
Yeah.
like
Not
video
video
call.
call.
So you wouldn't do video
No
calls.
video call.
It's not like I wouldn't do it, but I would prefer normal phone call.
Okay,
But
but
you know, it's like when usually you video call a girl,
Mhm.
you have to put like 100% of your attention there. It's not.
But when you're talking to
If
them,
it's
they
too
would
long.
expect it.
Dude, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, that is
You
yeah.
can't talk for 1 hour. No.
But they're not very expressive. No, video call
Yeah,
means that
we
they're
have
like,
to
oh,
just
no
sit
expression
there.
only.
Yeah.
Oh no, expression. No.
Exactly.
Okay. You?
See, I'm an extrovert, so like for me, video call is like, you know, that's my cup of
It
tea.
means drama queen, not extrovert.
I mean, like, I need that this thing.
But like, okay, I'll tell you like more what most girls like. Probably texting first, then like normal calls, and
Stages.
then like proper video calls is what I've seen girls like a lot because obviously I don't have experience.
No, but if you're meeting.
No, go ahead.
No, if you're meeting, you wouldn't need video call.
Exactly.
Do people okay? So let me tell you,
Don't be
few people
fun.
are
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
do but people
Yeah,
are like
just say you
obsessive
after that,
relationships
and say
where
you
they like you have to like stick to their throat and then घर जाके video call करते हैं just like don't you have a life of your own?
Yeah.
Hello, what? Okay, so what kind of girls do you like dating? Introverted girls or like extroverted girls?
Ambivert.
Depends.
Depends
Legit
on it.
ambivert.
Like okay, but you will have like a preference, no?
So if I have like
It's like
common
I
grounds
don't
with
have
that,
a list
then
to
yeah.
get to know that. Like I don't have a list of girls that I've dated whom I.
No, but you will have a preference. So it's not like you'll date any girl you find.
Yeah.
More of extrovert. More of extrovert.
So you don't mind an introvert who can talk.
But
Yeah,
your friends
yeah.
want an extroverted girlfriend, that's for sure. Like your friends want an extroverted girlfriend for you.
Okay, that's like a thing.
Anything that I answer here will be taken against me.
Hey, what is this fellow? Hey, stop that.
Shana. Okay, so how much younger or older would you date?
Younger, maximum 2 years.
2 to 3 years.
Elder,
Younger like 2, older like 1.5.
Okay, you?
Younger only max 1 year. They'll be so dumb. Can't go any more lower.
How much older would you date?
Anything is fine.
yeah, 60 years. Max.
Pranak's like, where
Yeah.
those milfs at?
Anything is fine.
Anything's fine.
Yeah.
20, bro, but the girls won't like us back. No, like 25-year-old girl won't like our age guys.
Are you
How do you
saying?
know? You're probably mature.
Yeah, I am mature, but oh my god, how?
No, like you.
They'll be
like
walking,
just
they'll
you.
be earning, and we are
Then
doing
Ronald, bust your ass down. Go to work. So what do you guys like first notice in a girl if you're interested in her? Like, not just like, a friend. If you're like interested in her. I don't know how to ask this question clearly.
So you're asking, once I'm interested in a girl, what do I look for?
No.
No, before, like first note, like let me see. Two question
This is
question.
how I.
This is so relatively different in each guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I want different opinions. That's why I got 3 of yours. I bought one boy would be like, tell me what you think about girls. Your opinion will stand for all boys. No, right? Yeah, so like.
I noticed.
I don't know.
I need to spend time with that girl to know her.
Oh
heart.
my god!
Okay, you're talking about like a personality
He
level.
wants to marry that girl in the first meet.
Ishan's like, I dare to marry.
He's like, I'm looking for a marriage material to understand time between
मेरे से
checking.
पहले तेरा
Okay,
होगा,
okay.
चल मार.
Okay, fine. Physical wise, like hair, face, body. If she's fat, she's thin, that kind. What do
You
you
should at
know?
least be in shape.
Okay, fine. You?
Hair.
Yeah, both of
Yeah, bro.
both hair and what
Body.
Who pays on the first date?
The one who asks the other person not pays on the first day.
I agree. You?
Same.
तो कभी फर्स्ट डेट पे पैसा नहीं दिया लाइक पूरा लाइक नहीं मैं लड़का हूँ मैं दूंगा.
No, it's like, see.
It's so misogynist.
Misogynist.
It's not
Yeah.
misogyny, it's sexist. Okay, first of all.
Yes.
It is misogyny.
Just go Dutch.
Okay, fine. I was just asking you like your
Just
opinion.
go Dutch, yeah.
So one more thing, I know this about like Ishan. I know Ishan's answer for this, but do you also like gossip like girls? Like do you
No.
like gossip?
No.
Don't deny.
I do.
What about you?
No.
You don't indulge.
Because that's how the conversation starts, like according to me. So
Gossip.
I need it, like yeah.
Who does he talk to, man?
Like I gossip about the people.
No, obviously.
She's there.
Obviously.
What? Go ahead.
We
You say.
gossip about the people like which are not in our circle. Like I
Yeah,
won't
yeah,
gossip
that's-
about like I won't gossip about Ishana and everything.
I'm like people from Delhi just like get on this.
That's not
They like
gossip, that's
those
talking about people if you don't know stuff about people.
Yeah, that's what we talk. I would gossip.
I'll tell you that's like very thin line according to me about gossiping about someone, bitching about someone, and talking about someone. It's a very thin line.
I don't know where the line is.
That's what I'm saying. It's a very thin line.
I
Nobody
don't know
knows.
your line.
You're like, I don't talk.
I don't talk.
Don't talk. Does a girl's height matter?
Yes,
Yeah.
Like, like taller than you or like shorter than you?
just right.
Right.
What is just right mean?
How do I describe
Like
this?
according to like your height. Like you like a girl
maybe,
shorter.
A little bit over here, like total
Either-
shorter, otherwise same height, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. Not-
either the same height or a bit short.
So you wouldn't like date girls that are tall, that tall.
Not like that, but
if
But
you
like, yo,
if she's the
definitely,
same
yeah.
height as you, when she wear some
Heels or something
Yeah.
like yeah, stiletto.
yeah, it's
she'll be too taller than you, bro.
No.
Yeah.
He means if she's like your height, if she wears heels, she'd be
So a
taller
little
than
bit taller than you,
So
yeah.
that's fine.
No, but like
It's
if
like
a girl is
short,
already.
short girls have advantage. They can wear heels and like
So you mean to say tall girls shouldn't wear heels?
tall. They should wear heels, but the guys.
But then the guys'
are not
preference,
that
yeah,
level.
exactly.
I get what you're saying. So you basically wouldn't date a girl who's taller than you.
No, not like that.
Why not? I'll date. No.
Yeah.
That's
And
not-
date no. No, उनको phone आया तो say क्या बोल रहा है सब respect है.
Usually girls are not taller than me.
Okay, so girls with like short hair or girls with long hair?
Short.
Long.
Define short hair and long hair.
Okay,
A short means still here.
above shoulder is short,
correct.
longer than shoulder. Like my haircut last year and my hair now.
I see no difference.
I had hair like this, Sunny.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So छोटा था.
Okay, short hair.
Short hair, yeah.
You?
Anything.
You don't
that
care.
should look good. Yeah.
Yeah, again depends upon the person, like how
Like,
she carries it.
If it is short hair, like who has short hair in our group? Nobody.
Oh, this is that nice.
Get it on.
Do you boys think you look nice with long hair? Why do you like grow your hair like this?
I have never done that, neither I'm doing
I
it.
don't look good with long hair, so I don't grow my hair.
Okay. But like to the guys who think they look good with
No,
long hair,
it's
why do
not.
you grow your hair basically?
Just because I want to grow it and see.
It was
But do you
like-
think you look good?
I think I will look good. I am not looking good. That is not.
He's like waiting for the result. He's like just checking
Yeah.
that if it's like looking good or not.
He's just lazy, that's all. He's not doing it. It's just there.
Yeah.
It's just there.
It's like controversial. If you
Oh.
don't want to answer, you don't have to answer.
Everything you asked was controversial.
Uh,
What was not controversial?
Everybody is doing
how are you guys fine with being in public?
Very fine.
Very fine.
No, not how, not why, how. Like, how are you fine with it?
How are we fine?
Nobody's seeing my PP.
Yeah.
Public about what?
सुसुरे रास्ते में करना. How are you fine with it?
How are you open?
But
with,
usually
like,
it's not in the
It's not-
road.
no,
It's not a, it's basically why you go on a highway and you can just like park your car towards the side. वो 2 minute का जो काम है, that is like.
It is like a really, if it is a really.
I'm not okay with it in the cities. Like it's okay.
Cities no, like it's like you're being watched everywhere.
huh.
People with this. No. Not in the
Like when you're going like for an 8-hour journey and then you have to stop somewhere, obviously you don't have a choice that time.
Okay. Are you guys okay with some? No. Wait. Ask it in her words only. Does it not feel weird to have something constantly dangling between your legs?
No.
No.
Because it's not really dangling.
Okay.
It's not a fucking pendulum, okay?
Dude, yeah, you wear like innerwears for a reason.
How does it feel to have a void inside your body?
Yeah.
Exactly.
How does that?
We will leave
Good.
that at that.
Now we are asking me questions.
Yeah.
But we can counter question like that's
Yes.
allowed. That's,
Oh, one more question was why do you guys game so much? Like
I don't game.
It's
You mean video game or?
It's scientifically
gaming, anything like
Yeah,
video
it's
game, playing
scientifically-
games.
Listen, it's
Yeah.
scientifically proven that if you game, it gives you happiness. It gives you everything you need, basically.
mainly
conducted
sense of
by-
It
satisfaction.
is scientifically proven that if you smoke,
Like what are like instant turn offs and turn ons that girls do that guys like you personally?
I think it was out.
Anybody.
Bad grammar is a turn off.
Okay.
Bad music taste is a turn off.
That can always
not
improve.
not bad music taste. You can't call it bad. But
It's very bad.
Something that I don't like.
But
It's just thank you. Something that I don't like personally would be a turn off for me. So that is that.
Okay. You?
What else?
do you want me to attack the girls?
Yeah. Go ahead.
A Taylor Swift also.
Okay. What is like turn on? Like, oh, cool.
Like they just randomly make a messy bun.
Oh.
Yes.
That's
That's
Oh my god.
that's insanely hot for some reason.
Okay. Two.
If you lift heavy ass weights and take creatine after workout, that's
Yeah.
not kidding. How much do you think?
That's why I don't think.
Instant turn on nothing, bro.
Good alcohol and food taste.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a big turn on.
Okay.
And
Oh.
being artistic is a turn on for me.
Yeah.
Any artistic girls? I see.
I just screamed out an attention tuition.
Skirts or dresses?
Is it bad? I don't know the difference.
Depends, yeah.
Okay, so skirt is like only from waist down to here. Dress is like a whole one piece.
Only best up to there. Only that.
Yeah. Only that. Only that.
Next question. Okay, jeans. God, it's not the answers I was expecting. Okay, this is. I will have to probably do
Harley
this.
Quinn,
With
Harley.
tops. With the top, jeans or leggings.
Depends on your legs.
Yoga pants.
Yeah, that's what leggings.
Leggings, yeah.
Because you can see ass.
Jeans.
Jeans.
Yeah, if nice jeans you can see ass then also.
Yeah, skinny jeans.
Skinny jeans. You?
Leggings.
Leggings.
General first, like preference leggings.
Depends on the leggings also, know how it is.
Depends on jeans also. Know how it is.
Exactly.
But jeans are like basic now.
Okay. So, what's like your best dating advice?
Don't date.
I'm not saying anything on this matter.
No, but dating advice, like, kuch
No
bhi.
advice.
What, man? Seriously?
Take time.
If you're toxic, don't date.
How does one know? Okay, next question. How does one know they're toxic?
They constantly want attention from everybody like around them. They'll do some random shit just to get screwed by the other person, just to get attention.
Then fight.
Lado.
Okay, best relationship. Oh, actually, best relationship advice. If you are dating a bully, you better be a bully.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You should be like two equally strong bullies. They make good.
Okay, looks like you speak from
Like
experience.
very violent.
This is like bully time.
Yes.
Okay, so like, what is your opinion about girls asking guys out?
I think it's completely normal.
It's very hot.
It's hot, turn on, yeah, one more.
Yeah.
And I think it is normal.
And you'll be on the
Should be
edge all the
normal.
time because you'll be scared like this bitch can do shit.
Yes.
Please don't curse. Huh? It's okay.
Yeah, it is a turn on.
Okay.
But yeah, as you said, that's also there.
That is also
Because-
Big factor. Big
Because
factor.
a lot of guys are just like, oh my god, she asked me out, I don't think I want to go out with her. Oh, heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Sneakers.
heels.
Heels.
Depends on the dress.
Depends
bro.
on-
You can't-
No,
Yeah.
but, no, but like generally, if you were like,
I
Heels.
want her to be a sneakerhead, but I also want her to wear heels.
Like with dresses, yeah, heels. With yoga pants, sneakers.
okay,
Yeah.
whatever suits the dress.
Yeah.
Most guys are just like, bro, heels, bro.
More heels.
No, bro, heels, bro. Oh, do you guys judge like other girls for smoking or drinking?
No.
No.
No, not at all.
No, like smoking also, like not
No.
just weed, like cigarette.
No.
Because a lot of girls are like, she can drink, she
I'm
can
not
smoke
the
weed, but
person to
no.
judge.
You're the worst person to judge. Okay, but do you, like, what about tattoos and piercings then?
Please get them.
It's hot. It's really hot. That's a turn on again, one where I would like to add.
Hot piercings and tattoos?
Yeah.
What about like piercings in like weird places?
Not
Like,
weird places.
eye and
Yeah,
lip
that's
and
a
all
turn
that.
off, but like.
I mean, no offense, but I
Nobody
just
gets
find
it.
those weird.
Yeah.
Personal taste, bro. Can't. It's not like it's offensive or it's a turn off or anything, but
Okay, if it suits them, it suits them.
Yeah.
Okay. So what are you guys' pet peeves? Like one thing that like pisses you off?
keep your room clean.
Okay. Sounded like an attack.
Like, in this room, 3-4 would have been attacked by now. Too.
Keep your room clean.
Look what happened, bro.
We were just talking about it
Yeah.
before you guys came to talk
Yeah.
about like how I'm like OCD sometimes.
There's some put,
Next, pet, your pet peeve.
If she's religious,
Okay. It's fine. Everybody has a thing.
I mean,
He's very accommodating.
she should not be lazy, that's all. Like active, go out, go in, that's all.
So okay, since he said religious, that brings another question to my mind. Thoda zyada ho gaya, but would you like ever consider changing your religion for a girl, or will you like make a girl change her religion for you?
I won't do anything
Neither
like
of
that.
them.
Neither
If
of
you
them.
follow your religion, bitch, I'll follow mine.
Question is, how do you differentiate a girl like, okay, she's going to be my friend, but I would like to date her? Like, what makes you? You get what I'm saying? Like,
You know, like,
ये मेरी friend है, मैं शायद उसको date करूँगा. What's the difference? Like, she is a girl at the end of the day. Okay, but like most of us do have common interests. So
No.
we're friends.
No,
Like,
no,
it
like,
depends
what
on
you
the
do in
feelings,
life
right?
generally.
Okay. You guys like think about clingy girls, so it's like always like, my boy. Sorry, bad impression, but
You mean to say Nimbane bees?
yeah, kind of like girls who are like usually like clingy. They're just like always with their
Babu
boyfriend.
Shona types girl?
Yeah, that kind.
That is
No.
That's just my
Like
reaction.
how would
Stay
you
away
feel if
from
like
me.
your girlfriend is clingy?
She wouldn't be my girlfriend.
Stay
That's like
away from-
contagious, just like, disinfectant.
Stay away from
Yeah.
her.
Okay. Do boys cry, and like how often? When was the last time any of you cried?
2016.
Okay. You?
2017.
You?
I think 2016 only.
You haven't cried after that at all?
17, yeah.
17 was like hell for me.
I think the last time I cried was before PCA.
What's the problem? Like, if a girl cries, no, it's normal. Like, if a guy cries, he has to change his life. Like, he
Yeah.
has to do that.
Yeah. Why?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Why-
it's usually an outburst of
Yeah.
lord.
It's like your whole life will turn out like
Yeah.
from the cry on.
Like we pile it up, and
Yeah, but
then
why
afterwards.
do guys do that? Why do you like not just let
Just
that
not
be
programmed to cry at things which.
How what we are taught in the beginning
Society
of
is stereotypes, so like.
No.
How comfortable are you guys with your sexuality, and like why are most guys so uncomfortable with like homosexual people?
I don't know who's
I
uncomfortable
don't
with
know.
homosexual
Like,
people.
okay, fine. We answer in parts. Like, are you guys like super comfortable with your sexuality?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Fine. Like most guys are like uncomfortable around boys who are gay.
No.
Why?
They probably were bullied in their school.
Yeah.
That's why they're uncomfortable. I
Yeah.
can't think of any other reason.
No, I watch gay TV shows and stuff. Sometimes I like think like I should have been gay. That would
He
have
suggested a gay show once.
And
didn't
made
know
you
it was-
watch a gay movie.
I didn't know it was a gay episode until I watched it and my mom was sitting right next to me. And then when I'm kissing and she's looking at me like,
What is my son boy? Is he trying to send me a message? Your mom is calling his first trying to come out. Do guys also, right, girls usually like have a dream for their wedding, like mera shadi aisa hoga and all that. Do guys also like have a plan like that in their head?
No.
some
You're-
people
you're-
do. Some people
Yeah,
do.
that's why I'm asking. No idea how your wedding you want to be, like no destination wedding, no nothing here, nothing like
No.
nothing. कुछ भी चलेगा.
The food-
बस लड़की चाहिए.
Just the food gets to be good. That's all.
Oh, that reminds me. लड़की
Oh my
चाहिए.
god. I'm attending my wedding like it's some other's wedding.
That's what exactly what I'm
in
saying.
your own way.
In your own wedding, you
Yeah.
can't eat.
Oh yeah, that's all.
So you're basically non-existent in your
Yeah.
wedding because
Yeah.
the wedding is
Yes.
mostly for the girl also.
I just want
So you're just
to.
spending
I
money
want
for
a lot
people
of.
to eat.
I want a lot of alcohol at my wedding. I want weed to be
Okay.
free flowing at my wedding.
Okay. One
Weed?
second.
What about weed, bro?
Yeah, just.
One
Weed.
second. Ani. Okay, guys. One second. You're Brahmin. I just put that in picture. Just to put your perspective.
Brahmin.
I'm sorry.
That is like raw chicken. Okay, so would you like once gone, gone.
Gone.
We'll come back to the question. Do you guys like the chase before dating, like where the girl's like little not giving you attention but giving you attention also?
Yeah.
Like, do you guys like that?
Yeah, obviously.
Somewhat, yeah.
But so like you said, you all have like different amount of like talking phase, right? How many girls are you talking to at once in that talking phase? Before you like zero down to one girl and be like, "Isse date karunga."
It depends on the guy's face.
It depends on what situation you are in. I've been in situation where
Ron's been talking to 3 girls.
3 girls at one time.
Yeah.
It happens, but it depends on the guy's face.
It depends on what is the situation, bro.
Yeah.
No, okay, fine. Would you start talking to another girl? Like, okay, imagine you just started talking to one girl 2 weeks
I won't
ago.
start.
Would you start talking to another girl now?
Not immediately.
Not immediately, like
Not-
just for like backup.
Not ever, bro. Like until I decide that I won't date her. We don't talk to every girl. Like whenever we start talking to a girl, it's not like we want to date this girl. Like it's like normal, no.
Yeah.
It's like,
Do you guys also like receiving flowers from girls, like on a date if you're going? Or okay, not flowers. Okay, sorry. What is like the flower equivalent? So on like a first date, you can get a girl flowers and all of that, right?
Yeah.
What can like a girl get you on the
Sandwich.
first date?
Sandwich.
Food, anything like food.
sandwich.
But you're already on the date, so like a gift kind of thing.
No chocolates, dude. I mean, like I have
Yeah,
no
chocolates.
chocolates.
Yeah,
Chocolates.
You guys actually like
we
chocolates?
should normalize.
I can't expect you to give me like a wallet or a perfume and all.
Normalize it.
Why, like,
Yeah,
no, that's too much.
That's
expensive.
too much expense.
So the
Like-
girls can give it to us.
Yeah.
Like give us chocolates.
Yeah, that's what
and
I'm
be happy.
asking. So that like we like know what to get like guys. on the
Chocolates.
date one.
Like get chocolates. I'll be happy. Yeah.
Like no, if a guy is not interested.
If he doesn't reply within one day, then he's not interested.
One day, I think
Yeah.
one day is too much already.
What?
Like,
I
see,
forgot.
okay, no, listen.
I think I forgot.
See, I'll tell you why. Because your phone is almost always on you, and if you don't reply within like at least 4 or 5 hours,
No, bro,
See,
if you're
it's
not
like-
really into the girl, you don't reply immediately.
yeah, that's why I said 4 or 5 hours.
It's also that like if you want to give yourself some time and think like what you're going to do.
Guys are like that.
Okay, but I'm talking about like how do you know if a guy is like bye bitch?
So like if so I'm talking to some girl like a friend, okay, and then if I get to know that I'm getting that vibe where she's trying to hit on me, I'll usually stop.
Yeah, okay, I understand that. But if you're like talking to someone for like potentially dating, and then you want to stop talking.
Because they just
Yeah, what happened?
Now I'm asking what makes you stop talking to a girl. Like, how do you know if he's like going to like not talk to you anymore to like potentially date?
Like if you're texting,
Yeah, that's how.
he makes excuses and he doesn't get back when he says that he's going to
Yeah.
text you later. That's it. It's very easy.
yeah, ghosting.
Ghosting.
That's all.
It's
It's
mostly
like if say
like so nobody
it's
will be
he'll
like,
say-
"Acha fine, you know what? I don't."
It's
think
like
it's
he'll say
going
we'll go
forward."
out this Saturday and he won't text you on a Friday on where to go.
Yeah.
Just 1 second.
Yeah. Last question: can a girl and guy just be friends?
Yes.
Yeah.
Obviously.
We are friends.
Awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Life.
Dude, no, like people are like super judgy. I'll tell you like a story off camera. Fine. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yes.
Oh, if you liked this video, please do tell me. Yes, Ishan. So
Obviously.
like, share, comment, subscribe. Leave questions in the comment section or DM them so that they can't see it and they can have like a proper reaction to the questions.
Like what's
But
coming in part 2.
Yes. Oh yeah, if you all want a part 2, please leave a comment about part 2. Otherwise also I'll make it if you don't comment. So because also कोई पूछेगा नहीं तो मैं मेरे को तो बनाना है video.
We still have, like, lots of questions.
Oh, and like I think next time we'll have more guys. So initially I had like 6 boys planned for this video. 3 of them backed out. We hate them. So bye.